Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana Tech House. This is Narayana. In this data analytics series, I am going to explain all data analytics concepts with real life examples. If you want to become data analyst, then don't miss this series. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click on bell icon to get the notification. And please share our videos with your friends also. Let us start now.
Here, what is exact data analyst? See, it is completely depending on a business, guys. Depending on which one, a business. A business. Nowadays, a lot of business are there. All of you, if you observe, just compare with the last 10 years, guys. 2010 before, after, 2010 before, after, you can see number of business increased, guys, right? Just observe now. Compare before 10, after 10 now. Before 10, what are the very famous business means? We can say less names, guys. We can say very less names, well-known names, very less are there. But after 10, 10 to this 15, if you ask me the businesses, I can say a lot of names are there. Like suppose let's take this all of Insta, right? Insta one business, very big business, Insta, right? Insta is there, or Zomato is there, right? Zomato, right? Swiggy is there, right? Swiggy is there, right? Or Phone Pay is there. These all see latest business, guys. These all Google Pay is there. Google Pay, guys. All of you. Google Pay, Phone Pay. Tell me some business names, guys. All of you. Tell me some names, business names, which are very famous in these 10 years, 15 years, guys. All of you, let me know some business names. Please, guys, involve and give the reply. Right? Misho also is there. All of you. And Twitter. Twitter. See, these all, guys, these all became very famous in these last 10 years, 15 years, guys, right? And Amazon, Amazon also, right? Amazon may be there before, but it became very famous last 10 years, guys. Okay. Flipkart, all of you, right? And all UPIs, right? Phone Pay, Google Pay, and ride sharing, Ola, Uber, right? Ola, Uber, guys, and also food delivery apps. Okay, see, like that, lot of things are there which became very famous after 2010, guys. After 2010, right? In every business, who is required? Tell me now. In every business, who required compulsorily some analyst required, guys. In every business, analyst means just who is observing the business, how the growth is going on, comparing the last day today, how the sales are going on, how the income is going on, right? Compulsory who required analyst in every business, right? Are coming normally, DMart, all of you, DMart, okay. So like that, lot of business are there. YouTube, in lot of things. Facebook also became very famous after 2010. Facebook, right? All of you. Facebook also. See, Facebook was there before 10 also, but became very famous in these last 10 years, right? Facebook, YouTube, these are all, guys. Okay. Now, what do I do? What do I do? I will take anyone this business. I'll explain the the execution flow, and then I'll explain in that business flow where we required, where we required. Okay, we required. Yes. Just, guys, observe now. All of you observe. Now I'll take the example of some DMart, guys. Okay. Let's take DMart example, Facebook, whatever it is. Okay. But I'll go with which one? Some DMart example, guys. DMart example. All of you observe now. I'm taking what here? DMart. All of you just concentrate. It's very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. This business. Okay. So in the DMart, all of you, we have lot of branches. In Hyderabad, lot of branches. In Telangana, lot of branches. In India, lot of branches, right? So now what do I do? For this example purpose, I just take three or four stores of Hyderabad, guys. Okay, this is the one store. Okay, this is the one more store. Right, this is the one more store. Store means one branch. Okay, and this is one more, guys. Just imagine now. Right. So here, these all are the stores, right? And I will take this one. Suppose Ameerpet store, guys. Just I give some names, okay? And this one, I'll take suppose Sanat Nagar store, Sanat Nagar, right? And this one, let's take some name, Koti, right? I'll take this name as a suppose something Madhapur like that, guys. Just I'm giving different names, okay? Right. And here in every store, general what they do the sales, right? They do the sales, guys. And imagine here in Ameerpet, they are storing the data in one database called MySQL, for example. In Sanat Nagar, they store the data in SQL server, guys, for example. Just I'm taking the different databases for easy understanding here, okay? Right. Next one, let's go here. In Koti, they're using suppose Oracle to store the data. In the Madhapur, they're using some Excel file, for example, guys, Excel file to store the data. So like that, we have different databases using, guys. Okay. And in Ameerpet, for example, let's take any one day business. Today, I'll take suppose yesterday business, guys, 18 March 2025 business. Right. So imagine here, yesterday in Ameerpet, they sold some 2,000 products, guys. How many? 2,000 products. In Sanat Nagar, they sold, for example, 5,000 products. In Koti, they sold 8,000 products. How many? 8,000 products. And here, they sold, for example, something like 7,000 products, guys. 7,000 products, right? Because you can't expect same number of sales in all the branches. No, it is different, right? It is different, guys. Depends on the area or number of customers, the prices, offers. This all based the number of okay sales keep on changing. That's all. So now these all from just Hyderabad, guys. Like that, from Bangalore, lot of branches are there, right? From Mumbai, lot of branches are there. From Chennai, lot of branches are there. From Kolkata, lot of branches are there. From Nagpur, lot of branches are there. So in every town, cities, we have the which one DMart, guys, right? Like that, just imagine now throughout India, let's imagine, for example, there are 500 stores, guys, for example. How many? 500 stores are there, right? Now, I am the owner. I stay in, for example, Mumbai. I stay where? In Mumbai, guys, okay? Mumbai. Every day, I cannot go to all the branches to check the sales. Yes or no, guys, all of you? I can't go to all the branches. If I have one or two branches in the same city, I can travel here and there. But throughout India, I can't travel every day to check my sales. All of you, am I right or wrong, guys? So my hometown, I am in Mumbai. In Mumbai, head office is there. Now I can't go to all the stores to check the sales, whether sales increasing, sales decreasing, how the customers coming. Okay, customers flow is higher or lesser. I can't check in all the stores, right? I can't go to all the stores. So alternative is what here? Even though you can't go to stores, but from stores, the data can reach you. The data can reach you. That is called program, guys. That's where IT employee involves. Love you. As a owner, I can't go to all the branches. I can't check the data on all the branches, right? So that's why what's the alternative? Even though you can't go there, but from there, the data can reach you. Happily sit here in the AC room and check the data from all the stores. There, they need some employees. They need some employees to get the data from all the stores and to show him in the graphs wise. They they want some employees, right? So now all of you observe here. Now what I'm doing here, I'm taking now just Hyderabad branches, and this is what here. This is the head branch, guys. As I told you, it is in Mumbai, for example. It is in where? It is in Mumbai, guys. Okay, Mumbai. And here also they're using something MySQL as a data warehouse. Just imagine now. Actually, there are a lot of platforms are there, guys. Now Amazon is there, right? So many things are there. But for our example purpose, use the MySQL for example. Okay. A lot of nowadays we have Snowflake data warehouse is there, right? Azure is there, right? Google platform is there, or AWS is there. So many things are there. Okay. Right. Now, here what I want to do now, from all the stores, the data must load into data warehouse every day. Data warehouse every day I want to load so that I can check the data. So here I can't load the data from the stores directly into data warehouse. Why? As I told you, there are 500 branches are there, right? At a time, data loading from all the branches means it is difficult to manage here, all of you. At a time, data coming from all the branches. It's not easy to manage here. That's why what do I do here? Area wise, what do I do? I'll arrange one temporary database. Temporary database, area wise, city wise, state wise, like that. So first, what do I do? From all Hyderabad, that all data take into this database temporarily. First of all, load here. Okay. So what I'm doing now, extract the data from all the data sources into one temporary database. This is called what here? This is called staging area. Staging area, guys. This is called what? Staging area. Staging means a temporary database here. Temporary database. And these all are the data sources. It means what? From here the data is generating, right, guys? From here data generating. So they are data sources, and the final destination is this one. This is called what? Data warehouse. The data coming here and storing. Okay. Now what is happening here? From all the data stores, all the stores, the data extracting, and after extracting, what we do? Combine the data. Combine the data from the Ameerpet, from Sanatnagar, from Koti, from Madhapur. That all data, what we do? We combine, and then do some changes, guys. If any required, do some transformations, right? Transformations, guys. Okay. After transformations over, like if any required changes are there, do those changes. Once changes are done, then the data is now completely structured, guys. Okay. And then what we do? Load into the data warehouse. So here first what we do? We are doing extract operation. Extract the data from the data sources. Of extracting, what we do? Transform the data, and then what we do here? Load the data, guys. That's all. ETL operations. This is called what? ETL operations, guys. Extract the data from all the data sources, right? And then do some transformations, some changes required. Once changes are done, then finally load into where? Data warehouse, guys.